Another cold one, boys. Like butter, fire right up.
What is up, LNP fam? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fabulous today. I'm actually headed to a Honda dealer. Yes. There are like a couple decals left, but most of you guys put in such an effort. I was like, you know what? We haven't sold all of them quite yet, almost. Like if a couple more people place an order, they're gone. They're so close to being gone, and the day's not over yet, and it's Friday. It's not even Friday night yet when most people are getting paid. I know they're gonna be gone, so I'm just gonna go try to figure out my options for paying for it right now. I'm gonna go into the dealer, try to let them know what I want, which I'm still kind of debating. I don't know 100% whether I want, you know, independent rear suspension, solid axle, you know, all that different stuff, because when you swap out those different options and stuff, you're talking about a difference between paying $1,000 more or so, you know, so it just kind of depends on what I'm gonna do with it. How long am I gonna have before I give it away? Is it gonna, should I build it for me or should I build it to give away? Like there's a bunch of different variables, and I'm thinking I'm gonna try to, whatever I get, I'm gonna build it towards a giveaway machine and not necessarily build it specifically just for what I want long term, because I'm probably not going to keep it long term. I can change and modify the build as we go, and I can always get something this time and be like, you know what, I didn't like that quite as much as this I probably would have, so maybe next time I'll buy this machine, you know what I mean? So I mean, it's whatever, there's a lot to figure out, but I'm just going to go to the dealership again today and just kind of pick between like two and be like, okay, what is my down payment, what are my payment options and interest and all that crap going to be for this compared to this, and you know, whatever, all the different things. So you know, it's just one of those deals. We're gonna go to the dealer right now, and hopefully we can get that stuff all sorted out. Enough talk, let's get over to the dealership and I'll get back with you when I'm done. Okay guys, so I just got back from the Honda ATV dealer, and this video was supposed to be a wheel and tire reveal video for this truck, but they still have not come in yet. It's just a matter of the wheel and tire place. Apparently they got caught up with stuff, mounting and balancing and stuff like that, and you know, whatever, but it's not a big deal. It's gonna get here soon enough, and we're not ready to swap wheels and tires on anyway, so it doesn't matter to us. You guys left me with no choice. I kind of mentioned the whole ATV deal, and I was like, you know, I'll get one like in a month or two. Like I'll get one, but I don't really want to spend the money right now. I just don't really want to spend the money right now, you know what I mean? Like it's just whatever. Like I want one, but it's not quite spring yet, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit until I can actually like ride it a lot when it's 50s, mid 50s plus. I told you guys, I was like, you know what, shoot. If you guys buy the rest of my decal, the rest of my inventory by Friday night, I'll go buy the ATV next week, you know, like whatever, I'll just go do it. I was thinking like, okay, you know, like I might sell some decals, but I don't think like there's gonna be that many people that, I don't know, really want to see ATV content that bad to where, you know, they're gonna go and buy the inventory up faster for that reason. Maybe because they want a sticker, but not necessarily buy up the inventory specifically for so they can see ATV content. Well, you guys in the first two nights, I think it was Tuesday and Wednesday night, bought flipping everything up except for there's like a couple left. There's like 4 decals left or something. There's not many left, but those will be gone by the end of tonight because it hasn't even been payday for most people yet. They're gonna be gone anyway, so I just like, you know what? I said I was gonna get an ATV if they bought the rest of the inventory, and they pretty much did. So I'm going to go and check out the Honda dealer again and let them know what I'm thinking and when we can get the ATV in to go and pick it up. And I went in there today and I talked to them, and it looks like next week, about midweek or so, I'm gonna be going in there and dropping my order on a brand new Honda ATV. So you guys kind of left me with no choice there. If I say I'm gonna do something, I just gotta do it. You know, I said the horsepower mods are coming. I said it was slow. I said things are gonna happen. It's just slow right now, and it's happening. You know what I mean? Thanks to Diesel Auto Power a lot. Huge thanks to them. But it's happening now. You know what I'm saying? I told you I was working on it and working on it. It's just process. Same with a lot of other stuff, you know what I mean? Like sometimes it takes time, but if I say we're gonna do it, it's gonna happen. Just like my dually build, I've been getting a lot of people lately, dude, why aren't you doing the dually build? I thought you said you were gonna build the dually, you know, and we are. It's just, you know, we gotta work on one truck, get it kind of done, and once this truck is done, you know, we're ready to launch the dually build. Just a handful of days after that, we're gonna be starting to do the dually. I'm so hyped for that truck. I'm pretty excited, honestly. Like at first I was kind of like, I don't really want to buy one right now. Like I can, but I don't really want to. I just didn't want to spend the money quite yet. I'm pretty hyped, and I hope you guys are too, which by the way, post it on my Snapchat. If you do not have me on Snapchat, add me right there. I said that a lot of my ATV content, now I'm gonna feature some of the build stuff on this channel, but like if I'm just taking out a GoPro and I'm gonna film some mudding or, you know, whatever, just going out and having fun on the four-wheeler, like after I do truck stuff or in the summer, I'm gonna start to try to do, not every day, but some days, do 2 videos. So maybe 3 days a week I'm gonna film 2 videos in one day. Some ATV content 3 days a week, but I'm still gonna do the truck videos, but I'm gonna keep the truck videos on the truck channel, and I'm gonna probably put a lot of that extra ATV content that maybe not everybody wants to see so much of. I'm gonna put that on my other channel, which is Brotherhood Outdoors. So I'm not joking, I'm not BSing with you guys. I am buying the ATV. I told you guys I would if you guys sold out the inventory, and you guys just killed it. So thank you guys so much. You guys have no idea how incredibly fortunate and blessed I am to have you guys here as a family, as a team. I couldn't do a lot of the stuff that I do without you guys, and I mean that full-heartedly. I'm being totally real with you guys. Like I said, Brotherhood Outdoors is probably where I'm gonna upload a lot of the mud riding content, stuff like that, just because I don't wanna mix it up too much. You know, for the people that are here for truck and diesel stuff, I don't wanna saturate my channel with a bunch of ATV content that not all of you guys wanna see. I don't think it'd be fair of me to upload a bunch of ATV videos on a channel that guys subscribe to because they're like, oh cool, a channel that's all one type of content, and I like only getting in my news feed this type of content, you know what I mean? Like, so I'm gonna keep it that way as much as I can, just so it's fair to the people that subscribe strictly for trucks. But like I said, if you guys are down for ATV content, subscribe to Brotherhood Outdoors. It's gonna be a good time, and there's gonna be a lot of good videos over there. I think it's getting close to passing 10,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so flippin' much for subscribing, watching the content, making dreams of mine come true every single day. You know, I posted some quotes on my Snapchat the last couple of days, and you guys have been just absolutely loving that stuff. Like, here's a quote that I posted. It says, a goal without a plan is just a wish. If you don't have plans, you don't have goals, and you don't set those goals, and you don't plan out how you're going to knock that stuff out, it just doesn't happen. And you guys are a huge part of, you know, the goals that I've set. Being able to knock that stuff out and make dreams come true, a huge part of that is you guys. And another one I posted, it says, do it now because sometimes later becomes never. And that is a very true thing. You know, sometimes like, I'll take care of it later. I'll do this later. You know, I'll chase that dream later when I'm in a better position or when I think it's right. You know, like if you don't do it now, it might not ever happen. So you just got to set your mind, set your heart on something and just crush it. And if it's what you're called to do, if it's what you're supposed to be doing, good things are gonna unfold and good things are gonna happen and take place and manifest in your life. Just really think about that. Just set those goals, make a plan, and just kill them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching that. You guys are awesome. Make my days so awesome every single day, and I could not thank you guys enough. If you guys want to buy up the last couple of decals, link in the description. Who cares about the ATV? It's going to happen, but they're flipping dope decals. You guys really want one. I've got a couple t-shirts, some larges and some XLs that never sold from a previous giveaway sale I ran a couple weeks back. That inventory's still there. Shoot, I'll drop the price on them 50% tonight. So if you guys want to go pick up those t-shirts, since I just didn't sell from a previous giveaway, and I'm not going to be running that style shirt again probably for a little while. I'll sell them really cheap. I'll go on my website. There's some 2 larges and I think 2 XLs left in stock from, that was about a month ago I did that sale. I'll knock them way down cheap for you guys if you guys want to go pick those up and clean them out. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe if you are new. Join the team, join the family. The biggest things are yet to come. Can we do 200,000 subscribers in the year 2018? I think we can do it. You guys are awesome. Big things coming. Truck giveaways, ATV giveaways, cash giveaways, all that stuff. You guys make it, so many of those things so very possible, and could not do without you. So thank you guys so much. Subscribe and catch you tomorrow.